Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching this video from. This is Learn with Wanja, where we talk about freelancing and optimizing our potentials in the digital space. Today's video is about how to write winning proposals and the bidding tips for our Upwork platform. So we really want to understand how do we write proposals and send them to clients on time so that they can consider us, and what are we supposed to put as content in our cover letters. So like, share, subscribe, comment, and let's get to the video. Okay, so this is my profile. If I want to look for jobs, I'll just come here and say find work, and then the jobs are going to load. So the jobs here are so many, hundreds of thousands. I cannot make it to go through a job at a time. Imagine 202,313 jobs are the ones that are available right now. By the time I'm getting even to see 100 jobs, I'm already tired, and already I've been late to send a proposal. So I have noted, before we did this search, this filter tab was not active. Let me do a recap. The filter tab was not active. If I say find work, you can see we only have this part where the jobs have loaded and this small pane on your right. So if I want my filter tab to be active, and the filter tab is what is going to get to let me get to the exact job that I'm looking for with the skill set I have, and with the maybe the budget that I want and the time. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to click on the search tab, and then the filter tab is going to be active on the far left. The first filter is category. So I want to look for writing jobs. So I'll just come and say writing, all writing. Remember, we said that you're looking for jobs that have been supported by your profile. I have a writing profile, so I can look for jobs in writing. Experience level, I have just joined the platform. I'm at entry level. At job type, now this depends on your preference. If you want to do an hourly job, a fixed price, that's okay. But for me, I'll not choose anything. We have here number of proposals. Now, you do not want to apply for a job that has over 50 proposals. So you're trying to get a job that has no stiff competition. So I'll take less than 5. And the most important filter that you should never forget, under client information, the one written payment verified. If you look at the jobs here, like this one, below here, you can see payment verified. You can see this one, payment verified. We have one that payment is unverified. There is a high probability that clients who have their payment unverified are scammers. So we do not want to be scammed. And since we don't want those jobs to load on our page, what we are going to do, we are going to say payment verified as a filter. So all the jobs that we load on my page right now, the payment is verified. There are also other filters down here: client history, client location, time zones, project length. Myself, I don't find all of those important. The important filters are these 4: the category, the level, number of proposals, and payment verified. Now, I have 120 jobs from 200,000 jobs and above. So I'll look at these jobs and see the one that I can handle. So I have one posted 5 minutes ago here. You always check the time that the job was posted. If it was posted more than, let's say, an hour ago, 2 hours ago, there is a high probability that that job is already taken. So we do not want to risk. So we want to take jobs that are active and very recent. So you can see this one is a fixed price job, entry level, budget $45, posted 5 minutes ago. We can look at the job description to see if we have the skills needed. So go through it carefully, understand word for word. and then look at the skills needed. If you are okay with the job, you click on the title and the job loads. Okay. Now, before even we check on other details, we want to see the activity on the job. This is the most important part of any job that you're interested in, because it shows you how many people are being interviewed, have the client sent invites for interviews, has anyone been hired, and on this job activity is 000. So that one is a good job we can apply. There is a chance that we can get the job. Now, the other thing, look at the client history. It's very important to know what freelancers say about this client and what the client says about his or her freelancers. So look at the rating. We have five star, some good feedback there. I enjoyed. Client was very easy to work with. That feedback is very important. It tells you what to expect from a client. So before we apply, we have what we call available connects 50, and the ones needed for the proposal are 2. So connects are online tokens that are given by a freelancing platform, in this case Upwork, and connects act as airtime that helps you to send proposals. Now, depending on the weight of the job, the budget for the client, and some other aspects about the complexity of the job, it will determine whether the job will require more connects or less connects. In our case, we just need 2 connects and the available ones are 50. So if we send a proposal for this job, we will remain with 48 connects. So if I want to send a proposal, I'll say apply now. We can see. So if you have more than one profile, they will prompt you to choose the profile you want to apply with. I'll use the general one. It's the one for writing. You can see I'll remain with 48 connects. Okay. Now the terms. The client wants to pay $45. Do not put an amount that is above $45. If you want to change, probably you can put something lesser, but not more than the client's budget. Always stick to the client's budget or slightly lower. Okay. The duration, I see it's less than a month. And then you come here and draft a cover letter. A cover letter that matches that job. So the cover letter should be very captivating. It should be in a formal format. You start with salutation. You can say, hello client. And then now, what you're going to put in the body of this cover letter is related to this job. For example, you can see that this person is looking for a script writer for a YouTube documentary. Do not discuss about any other kind of writing except that which is written here. You can see the expertise and skills the client wants. He or she wants creative writers. He wants script writers, research, a person who can do good research. So when you come here to write the proposal, you're going to focus on that. You're going to say probably, I am a good writer. I have done this and this script on a certain project. I am also maybe a YouTube content creator, something that is related with this specific job. Do not write anything that is outside the scope of this job. And then make sure all these skills listed here, you have listed them also as part of your skills in the cover letter. Once you're done with the body, you can finish with regards, or thank you, and then you put your name. Okay, so there are some clients who will ask for attachments of previous projects that you have done that are related to the one they have. So if you are uploading, you upload here. If the client has not asked for one, do not bother. And then we have here, we can send for 2 connects that are required or boost. Boosting a connect means if I'm sending a proposal as number 10, the 10th freelancer to send a proposal to that client. And then I boost my connect. I might be number 8 or 7 or even 5, depending on the number of connects I have boosted with. Assuming we want to send for 2 connects, we just click here. And then it's going to load another page. You can see here. Do you understand UPWORK's policy? If you check there, you just say submit and your proposal is submitted to the client. So remember that once you have sent a proposal, whether you get the job or not, the connects are non-refundable. So make good use of your connects. And once you have sent a proposal, keep checking on your email. Actually, make sure your email has pop-ups and a notification so that every time an email comes, you're able to see. When the client responds to you, you'll get a notification on your email, and then it will redirect you to this messages tab where you'll start your conversation with that client. So all communication happens at the messaging tab. You can see that now there is nothing on my messaging tab. But once the client invites me maybe to do an interview or accept my proposal, this tab will be active and I will be able to communicate with the client from the platform. So that is how we write proposals. That is how we identify jobs that we're interested in. And that brings us to the end of our video today. Thank you so much for being my audience. Welcome once again to Learn with Wanja. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. And until the next video, I say bye-bye.